Alright, you guys, so this is going to be the unofficial room tour of my little workspace or YouTube space or home office, whatever you want to call it. But this is where I film all of my videos. So right up here is just a little black shelf. My mom and sister and brother actually redid this room for me while I was on vacation. So shout out to them, because this room looked completely horrible and I did not ever want to show you guys this room before that. Like, they put carpet down in here for me and everything while I was gone. So super awesome. Thank you guys so much. So up here we've got this little shelf. Holds all kinds of little knickknacks and doodads. So right up here is actually a message in a bottle. My husband bought me that last year for our anniversary. Then right over here is my first business card. So that is a unique business card, because if you guys don't know, I am a unique presenter. Right up here is just where I keep more business cards. This is just a little decoration that says let your dreams be bigger than your fears, which is super important to me. Like, holla if you live by that. And then my mom actually found these little ring boxes, because I'm also a paparazzi consultant. I do a little bit of everything, guys. So those are for shipping out stuff and just for display. And then also I bought these little buckets right here. The little pink buckets. I bought those to put things in whenever I'm doing live parties. So if somebody places an order with me, I can go ahead and put their stuff inside of a bucket until the live is over, and then I'll go ahead and package everything up. So over here they actually took this little mirror and they put, that's a rug that's behind it. They repurposed that rug and put it behind this mirror. That's a closet door back there that really doesn't have anything in it, so they just went ahead and covered it up. And then these right here are my little mannequin stands for displaying jewelry. It's a jewelry sign. I found this on Ulta and I thought it was a really cool box, so I kept the box. And then this is a dresser that holds all of my packing stuff. So we've got like paparazzi packaging stuff up here, unique stuff down here. The rest of them are pretty much just extras. I think one of them's got like all our DVDs and one of them's got all our boxes for, or not boxes, but books. Then over on this next wall, this is just a pile of boxes, because sometimes I do save my paparazzi boxes to ship stuff out. If somebody has a larger order, it just makes it easier on me. So that's how I ship stuff out. And then this is something that I take with me when I want to take jewelry on the go. This is a folder just for, you know, paparazzi stuff, unique stuff. And then this is actually my paparazzi display board. So this is what I use during my live videos. I actually did a live video last night. That's why all these numbers are up. So if you guys have never watched one of my paparazzi lives, you should totally check them out. I do it on Facebook, and my Facebook group name is Barlow Girls Boutique. I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out. All you have to do is ask to join, no big deal, and then you can shop $5 jewelry all the time. This little quote over here, it says, "We rise by lifting others." And then over here I've got this little sign. I've had this thing for years and years. It says, "We are the music makers and we are the dreamers of dreams." I love that quote. This right here was probably, I don't remember if it's the first DIY I ever did on this channel, but I do know that it is the most popular. Yes, I still have it. That's how much I loved it. Then this is a DIY from Valentine's Day, so I do have that on my channel as well. They actually found this shelf. I actually, this book right here, I use that on this display board to set rings and bracelets on from time to time, so that people can actually see them, because it's hard to show them. And then for the vanity side of the room, this is what it looks like. And again, we have the "We rise by lifting others" quote. I love that quote. That is a window. This was actually pieces of a gigantic mirror that they took apart. So these were the sides, and they've painted them black. And then my uncle made me this mirror right here that has the lights on it. I don't have them all turned on because it is super bright if I do. And then I just have my little mirror, my brushes. My printer is sitting on here as of right now. I don't know exactly if it's going to stay there the whole time. I'm not sure yet. I haven't made up my mind. And then this is where I keep all of the makeup and craft stuff and hair stuff. And then I've got a little bit more storage back here. If you guys want a more in-depth tour on that kind of stuff, like if you want to see the makeup collection and all that, let me know and I'll definitely do it. But yeah, and then I don't know if you guys can tell, but one of my favorite movies of all time is Pretty in Pink, and I love the store tracks. So I've had those records up on my wall for years and years. I love them. And then this is the final wall to this room. This is actually a pretty small room. It's like a 7 by 9, so it's super tiny back here. But over here I just have my computer, calendar, little like tabletop garbage can. I never would have thought to do that. My mom actually thought of that. And then it just houses all my computer stuff. And I actually bought this little mirrored console table a while back at a local store. And then, sorry, you can see my legs. And then up under it, there's just all kinds of stuff that needs to find a new home. I haven't done that yet. But one of my favorite things about this whole room has to be this right here. It says always be you, and it's got the eyes on it. And for me personally, always be you is like one of the most important things that you can do. You should always be yourself, be unapologetically yourself, and that's something that I do struggle with, but I work on it every single day. So yeah, that is this room. Currently I have a little fan down here because it is super hot in this room. Like, it's been so hot around here lately, and like, oh my gosh, it's just so hot. But this is the room where all of the magic happens. So thanks to everyone who requested this video, and thank you so much to my mom and my sister and my brothers for making this room possible, because Lord knows years have been spent in this room trying to organize it the way that I want it to be, and all it took was other people doing it. I'm not the best at it, but it looks amazing now. So thank you to everybody who was involved, and I love you. So if you guys have any questions about this room or anything in it, just ask away and I will let you know anything that I can. But that is my room, guys. So I will talk to you all in the next one. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and ta-ta for now.